If you are interested in the specifications of the all-new Xiaomi Redmi S2, this video is right for you. What's up everyone, this is Osam Mohsin and you're watching Top Pro. Talking towards the design of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, on the Xiaomi Redmi S2, you will be getting the bezel-less design like you'll be finding on almost every smartphone like the Apple iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8, S9, Oppo R15 or Vivo V9, and it has a dual camera setup on the back. Talking towards the display of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, on the Xiaomi Redmi S2 you will be getting 6-inch screen size, the screen resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels, and a display technology of IPS LCD panel, which offers quite good experience in terms of contrast, viewing angles and sun legibility. But if you compare it to the latest flagships like the Samsung Galaxy S9 or the S8, which offers Super AMOLED displays, then the IPS LCD panel would be quite less better option, and you would be disappointed if you compare between these two technologies. Now talking towards the performance of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, on the Xiaomi Redmi S2 you will be getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 chipset, which offers an octa-core processor of 2 GHz and a graphic card of Adreno 512, which is quite great. But if you compare to the Xiaomi Mi 6X, then the Xiaomi Mi 6X offers a better chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 626 chipset and a better octa-core processor and a better graphic card. So if you are interested in buying the Xiaomi Mi 6X for a better performance, then you must go for that. Otherwise, the Xiaomi Redmi S2 would be a better option if it would be available at a lower price range than the Xiaomi Mi 6X. Talking towards the camera of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, on the Xiaomi Redmi S2 you will be getting a dual camera setup, one of 12 MP and the other of 5 MP with face detection, autofocus and an LED flash. While on the video camera department you will be getting a 1080p video recording, which is a full HD resolution at 30 frames per second, and a front camera of 16 MP, which is quite decent. But if you compare to the Xiaomi Mi 6X, as it offers a 20 MP camera and also allows you to capture slow-mo videos, which the Xiaomi Redmi S2 doesn't offer. On the plus side of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, you will be getting the 3.5mm headphone jack, which the Xiaomi Mi 6X doesn't offer, and you will be quite satisfied as you will be able to enjoy all your music and videos on the Xiaomi Redmi S2 as compared to the Xiaomi Mi 6X. Talking towards the internal storage and the RAM of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, the Xiaomi Redmi S2 comes with 3 different variants, one with 64GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM. The other comes with the 32GB of internal storage and 3GB of RAM, while the third one comes with 16GB of internal storage and 2GB of RAM. Now talking towards the battery life of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, Xiaomi Redmi S2 will provide a decent battery life as it comes with 3080 mAh battery, which is quite decent, but it does not provide any quick charge support like it is found on the Xiaomi Mi 6X and other latest devices on the planet. Now, as far as the price is concerned, according to the features of the Xiaomi Redmi S2, it provides much less features than the Xiaomi Mi 6X and it will be expected to have a lower price tag than the Xiaomi Mi 6X. Otherwise, the Xiaomi Redmi S2 will be a totally flop, and in my case, I won't be getting a Xiaomi Redmi S2 if I don't want a slow-mo video, I don't like fast charging and other features which are already available on the Xiaomi Mi 6X. If I would be getting a higher price tag than the Xiaomi Mi 6X. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and to subscribe my channel for more interesting